Hi everyone, welcome to Dataverse Academy. So in today's video, we will learn how we can use the lookup activity and for each activity in data pipeline. Log into your Microsoft Fabric account, then click on Synapse Data Warehouse, then click on Workspaces, then click on your workspace, then click on New, select Data Pipeline. Provide name to your data pipeline. Then click on Create. Then click on Activities. At the top, you can see Lookup Activity and For each activity. We have some dummy tables in our data warehouse, so we wanted to drop those tables, but we don't want to manually drop it one by one. We will create a table with schema name and table name, and then we will insert the list of all those tables which we want to drop it, and after that we will read that table using lookup activity, and using the for each activity we will read row by row, and under the for each activity we will use script activity. Using the script activity we will drop those tables. Let me show you the tables which I wanted to draw from my warehouse. Click on Workspace, then click on Warehouse. Here you can see I have these two dummy tables. I wanted to drop both the tables, but I don't want to drop it manually. So for that, what I'll do, I'll create a lookup table, and in that table, I'll have schema name and table name. Click on New SQL query. To save our time, I have already designed the create table script as well as insert script. Let me paste it. Here, first I'm creating the table with schema name and table name. Then I'm inserting the schema and dummy table name. Once my table is created and data is inserted, I wanted to verify the data. So for that, I have written select query. Let me run this script. Click on run. Our table is created successfully and data is also inserted into the table. Now go back to your data pipeline. Click on lookup. Give name to your lookup activity. Then click on settings. Here click on workspace. Choose workspace data store type as data warehouse. Then select your data warehouse. Then select your table. To verify the table's data, click on preview data. Here you can see we got only one row. Why? Because we have checked this property. Close this, then uncheck it. Now again click on preview data. Now we got all the data. Close it, click on activities, then select for each activity. Map it with lookup activity. Then click on settings, then click on sequential. In items, we need to use the lookup output parameter. So for that, click on add dynamic content. Here you can see lookup dummy table list value array. In this, we will have both the columns, schema name as well as table name. So click on it, then click on OK. Now click on this edit sign, then select script activity. If you are not aware about how to use the script activity, please watch my other videos. I'll put link in the description below. click on settings, then click on workspace, select your data warehouse, then click on non-query. Why? Because we want to drop the table. If you want to create a table, or if you want to create a schema, or if you want to select the data, then in that case you need to use query. And in case of DML statement, we always use non-query. So here we need to provide the drop statement for the tables. So we can't provide it directly like drop table and table name, because we have three tables which are coming from the lookup activity. So for that, what we need to do, click on add dynamic content, and here write @concat, then single bracket, drop table, and comma. Then we need to provide the schema name. So for that, this for each parameter contains both schema name as well as table name. Click on it. After that, dot, write schema underscore name. Then we need to provide table name. So before that, we need to provide dot, because our statement will be drop table schema name dot table name. So for that single quote, under that dot, comma, click on for each parameter, then dot table name. After concatenating all the things, it will create a single statement like drop table schema name dot table name. Click on OK, then click on home and click on validate. Close it, click on run. It will take few minutes to complete our pipeline. So let's wait for it. You can see our pipeline is completed successfully. To verify it, click on your data warehouse. And here you can see both the dummy tables has been removed from DBO schema. Now let's check the test schema. In the test schema as well, the dummy table has been removed. That's it in this video. So this is how you can use the lookup and for each activity in your data pipeline. Thank you for watching this video.